Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cornbread salad. First, bake your favorite cornbread and allow it to cool completely. This is crucial for the texture. Once cooled, gently crumble it into a large bowl, aiming for pieces that are easy to eat. Next, whisk together a creamy dressing using 1 cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. This creates a rich, tangy base for our salad. Now, let's add some fresh, vibrant vegetables. Dice 1 large, ripe tomato, 1 crisp green bell pepper, and half a red onion into small, uniform pieces. These will add a wonderful crunch and burst of flavor. Next, drain and rinse 1 15-ounce can of black beans and 1 15-ounce can of sweet corn. Layer these colorful ingredients over your crumbled cornbread, creating distinct, appealing strata in your salad. To elevate the flavor, we'll add some classic toppings. Cook 6 slices of bacon until perfectly crispy, then crumble them into small bits. Next, shred 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. Its rich flavor pairs wonderfully with the other ingredients. Finally, pour the creamy dressing you prepared earlier evenly over all the layers. Ensure every part of the salad gets a generous coating for maximum deliciousness. Once assembled, cover your cornbread salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully, enhancing the overall taste. Before serving, give it a gentle toss and garnish with some fresh chopped chives or green onions for a final touch of freshness and color. It's perfect for potlucks or a casual meal. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.